Welcome to the factory tour at our machine shop. We have prepared safety instructions for visitors and staff throughout the entire machine shop area. In the factory area, you are required to use personal protective equipment assigned by your contact person, such as safety shoes, hearing protection, high visibility vests, and safety glasses. Please follow the posted safety instructions and prohibition signs. Smoking is prohibited throughout the factory area. Avoid using your phone while moving through production areas. If necessary, stop in a safe place to make a call. Remember that photography and video recording are not allowed without permission. To ensure your safety, please stay on the main route and be cautious of moving machines. The floor may be slippery, so pay extra attention to this. Do not touch products or production machinery. Avoid looking directly at welding work. Be aware of lifting loads and other potential hazards. Take note of the emergency exits and assembly points indicated by your host. Do not move around the area alone, and follow all instructions and warning signs. If you notice any hazards or observe other safety issues during your visit, report them immediately to your contact person. After the visit, please return protective equipment to its designated place. Thank you for being our guest at our machine shop. We wish you an informative and safe visit.